how to calibrate the Compass app on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Compass app on your iPhone. If your iPhone detects that the compass needs calibration, you'll see an on-screen prompt asking you to calibrate it. Follow the instructions displayed on your screen. In most cases, you'll simply need to hold your iPhone and move it in a figure 8 motion until the calibration is complete. This process helps your iPhone accurately determine its orientation and improve navigation performance. If the Compass app isn't prompting you to calibrate, you can still improve accuracy by moving your iPhone in a figure 8 pattern a few times. For the best results, make sure you're away from large metal objects, magnets, or electronic devices that could interfere with the compass sensors. You should also ensure that location services are enabled on your iPhone. To check this, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, and make sure they're turned on for the Compass app. Once calibration is complete, your compass should provide more accurate directions and location information. That's it. You've successfully calibrated the Compass app on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.